Hello? Hello? Alright, just checking my audio. So, just want to go over this week how you can use my Outlook to make some money. Go back to the weekly. So, before this week opened up, I was looking for this sell side and this weekly busy for the expansion. So, on the daily chart, as I stated, we had news on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I was looking for this internal to be tagged and then seek my weekly objectives. On Tuesday, I want to see that move up into it. We didn't get that there. So on Wednesday, we had that. So I'm going to show you how you can participate, dropping down to the lower time frames using a silver bullet model. So on NFP weeks, ICT says you should trade Monday and Tuesday and then let the rest of the week play out. But I'm going to show you every setup that you could have taken. So on Monday, go to the hourly on Monday. We take buy stops on the hourly. And then I see my model inside 10 to 11, this fair value gap with a market structure shift. Then you can short here, stop at the high. A good target would be weekly open or this hourly sell side, which didn't get hit, which is actually unfortunate, but take you into Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I was looking for this inefficiency since Monday didn't. Add this to all. So this is why time is actually so important, because on Tuesday my bias was long, looking for this inefficiency, but we take buy stops on the hourly. Then I'm letting the opening range form and tell me what it wants to do. So we take buy stops and we start trading lower, and we have a model short right here. It's very small, but it's there. A market structure shift with a fair value gap inside 10 to 11. So short there, stop at candle 1 because the high is all the way up here. I don't want a 100-point stop loss. Then I'll go to my hourly for my targets. So I see this daily sell side, which is all the way down there. I can go to the hourly and get low-hanging fruits. So in this leg, this 1 hour sell side is 2R, just target 2R there, and then just call it a week. If you follow the NFP protocol, Monday, Tuesday, you're done. But I'm going to show you Thursday, Friday. So again, FOMC, the manipulation for this week, since Tuesday didn't. So no model inside this window, but we do have one that forms at 11 and you enter just outside the window, which I took. You can check my Twitter, and then your stop would go at the candle 1. So go to Thursday. At Thursday, we're inside this daily inefficiency, with ES we had SMT at the highs right here, and then take you to a 4 hour. So within this range, this is what I was looking at to target. So this inefficiency with weekly open and this other inefficiency. So ideally short right here, stop at the candle 1, 2.5R on Thursday. So that's Thursday. Take you into NFP. This is why I love the silver bullet. So we had news at 8:30. Everyone is trying to figure out what it wants to do. So if I go back to the weekly, take you to this lower inefficiency. So everyone's probably looking at this inefficiency at this point. At 8:30, most people probably shorted this right here, looking for that, which didn't get hit. Then this probably scared a lot of people out or stopped people out with spreads. Then 9:30, what do? We have another little Judas swing with a market structure shift and a fair value gap. Then you stop candle 1, and then you look for this weekly inefficiency. And as you can see, this is why he has a NFP protocol, because Thursday, Friday are typically most weeks not very ideal compared to second and third week of the month. So just traded sideways, didn't reach that, which is unfortunate, and you would have got stopped out. And another thing about my Thursday trade, I have to go back test more, but a lot of times it forms right outside my window and gets filled around 11:15. Just have to collect more data on that, or just keep the strict entry has to be inside this hour. Because I'll show you another example on Tuesday. Besides this model we also had, look, same thing, forms just outside 10 to 11 and then trades into it around 11:15. So just something I have to collect data on, but just want to come on here and show you how you could have participated using my levels on the weekly. And I will have another weekly outlook coming just shortly after this. Until then, good luck and good trading.